This homemade ginger beer is strong, spicy, and so easy to make. Start by cleaning and sterilizing all your equipment properly. Grate fresh ginger and juice a couple of lemons to get that strong flavor. In a pan, dissolve sugar in boiling water, then add the ginger and let it simmer. Add the lemon juice, then leave everything to cool down to around 20 degrees. Activate your yeast in a small amount of warm water with a little sugar. Once everything has cooled, pour the mixture into a demijohn using a funnel. Add the yeast, then fit the airlock and leave it somewhere warm. Fermentation will start quickly and bubble for a few days. Leave it for a few weeks until it clears and fermentation stops. Siphon into bottles, leaving the sediment behind. Seal, leave to condition, then chill and enjoy your homemade ginger beer. Check the link in the description to get everything you need to get started.